Which solar panels work best during overcast conditions? Simple question, but you might be surprised by the answers. Today, we're digging into what actually performs well when the sun isn't shining. Product number 1, Renagi 200W Solar Panel. First up is the Renagi 200-watt N-type solar panel. This caught my eye because it boasts a 25% efficiency rating, which is impressive for cloudy days. Priced at $179.99, it's positioned as a solid mid-range option. If you want reliable power output even when the sun's hiding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 25% efficiency means it can convert sunlight into electricity even in less than ideal weather. It has a low temperature coefficient, making it ideal for hot climates, and operates well at 6.85 amps. With over 700 sold last month and a 4.6-star rating from 186 reviews, it's clear that many users trust this product to get the job done. Now, some people complained about its size. At nearly 50 inches long, it can be challenging to fit on smaller roofs. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, it's compact enough for Class B vans and still packs a powerful punch. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable solar panel for your RV or home in cloudy areas. Skip this one if you're looking for a very compact option. It offers great value for your investment. Now, if the size of the Renagi bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BONAI 9W Solar Panels. Next up, we have the BONAI 2-pack 9W Solar Panels. This one caught my attention because it's incredibly affordable at just $36.99 for 2 panels. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that still performs decently on cloudy days, this is worth considering. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it can handle various weather conditions, making it reliable for outdoor use. Customers appreciate its ease of installation too, as it can be set up in minutes. Some users did mention that the charging speed is slower compared to higher wattage panels. But honestly, if you're using it for small devices, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a portable, low-cost solar solution for your outdoor gadgets. Skip this one if you need high power output. Given its price, it's an excellent value for light users. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Renagi ShadowFlux 200W. Now let's talk about the Renagi ShadowFlux solar panel. Priced at $237.99, this panel is designed specifically for shaded conditions, which is why I'm excited to share it. If you're dealing with trees or buildings that block sunlight, this is definitely worth a look. With 25% efficiency and advanced N-type solar cells, it's built to last and maintain performance over time. Plus, its compact design means it's easier to install in tight spaces. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 270 reviews, it's a favorite among those who struggle with shading issues. However, some users found it a bit heavier than expected, which can complicate installation. This is perfect for you if you have shaded areas but need reliable power. Skip this one if you're only looking for lightweight options. It's a great investment for anyone facing shading problems. Now, if you're looking for something portable, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Flex Solar 60W Portable Panels. The Flex Solar 60W Portable Solar Panel is next on the list. At $69.99, this foldable option impressed me with its portability and versatility. If you're a camper or just need something lightweight for emergencies, this one's worth considering. The versatility of charging options, USB-C and DC outputs, means you can power various devices simultaneously. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, making it durable for outdoor use. With 251 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clearly a reliable choice. One downside some users mentioned is the lack of a kickstand, making it a bit tricky to angle perfectly toward the sun. But honestly, if you're using it in a camping setup, you can often find a way to prop it up. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, portable solar panel for camping or emergency power. Skip this one if you want a fixed installation. It's a solid value for something that's easy to transport. Now, let's wrap things up with another portable option that offers even more power. Product number 5, Flex Solar 100W Portable Panels. Finally, we have the Flex Solar 100W Portable Solar Panel. Priced at $85.49, it's a bit more powerful than the previous model, which is why I wanted to include it. If you need something that can charge more demanding gadgets, this one's worth your consideration. It has multiple output options, including USB-C and DC, making it incredibly versatile. With an IP67 rating, you can trust it to withstand harsh weather, which is perfect for outdoor adventures. With a 4.4-star rating from 244 reviews, it's clear that users are satisfied. One issue some users have is its weight at 4.1 pounds, which can be a bit cumbersome for backpacking. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, higher-capacity solar solution for camping or emergencies. Skip this one if you need something ultra-lightweight. It's definitely worth the price for its performance. So to recap, we've looked at the Renagi 200W and Shadow Flux for reliable power, the budget-friendly BONAI 9W, and the portable Flex Solar 60W and 100W options for outdoor use. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs. Whatever you choose, these panels are all solid options for harnessing solar power, even on those overcast days.